friends, this is Kalyani. Today we will discuss about what is meant by an operator and what are the types of the operators and what is meant by arithmetic operators. First, what is meant by operator? An operator is a symbol that tells the computer to perform certain mathematical or logical manipulation. For example, see here A minus B equal to 10. This is the one expression. Here what is meant by operator? This is called an operator. See here, and moreover, operators are used in the program to manipulate data and variables. The data items that operator act upon them are called operands. Here the data items that are act upon them are called as operands. Here A and B are called as operands. See, what are the types of the operator? There are 8 types of operators. First one, arithmetical operators, relational operators, logical operators, assignment operators, increment decrement operators, conditional operator, bitwise operator and special operator. Understood? Now, what is meant by arithmetical operators? Arithmetical operators. See here. Here plus, minus, into, slash, percentage. These are called as arithmetical operators. Plus is called addition and minus subtraction. Into is for multiplication, slash is for division and percentage for modular division. These are called as arithmetic operators. Again, there are 3 types of the arithmetic operators have. What are they? First one, integer arithmetic. Second one, real arithmetic. Third one, mixed mode arithmetic. First one, integer arithmetic. When both the operands in a single arithmetic expression such as a plus b or integers, the expression is called integer expression. This expression is called integer expression and the operation is called integer arithmetic. This a plus b operation is called integer arithmetic. Integer arithmetic always yields an integer value. Here a and b are called as integers. Understood? Next, real arithmetic. In an arithmetic operation involving only real operands is called real arithmetic. For example, see here x equal to 0.8, y equal to 0.3. Here A real operand may assume the values either in a decimal or exponential notation. Here x is a real operand, so x value is expressed as the decimal form. Understood? Next one. Since floating point values are rounded to the number of the significant digit permissible, the final value is an approximation of the correct results. Here, what is meant by real arithmetic? An arithmetic operation involving only real operands. See here, x and y are real operands. Only real operands is called real arithmetic. Next, mixed mode arithmetic. When one of the operands is real and the other is an integer, the expression is called mixed mode arithmetic expression. See here, for example, 15 divided by 10.0 equal to 1.5. Here mixed mode means when one of the operands is a real and the other is an integer. Here one of the operand is a real, 10.0 is a real, and the other one is an integer, 15 is an integer. Then the expression is called mixed mode arithmetic. Here if either the operand is of the real type, then only the real operation is performed and the result is always a real number. See here, the result is always a real number. So once again I repeat, what is meant by operator and what are the types of the operator and arithmetic operators. Operator is a symbol that tells the computer to perform certain mathematical or logical expressions. There are 8 types of the operators, and arithmetic operators are again divided into 5 types. These are they. Understood? Have you understood the whole topic? Please share my channel. Please like my channel. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.